Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will be walking you through step-by-step process on how to remove everyone from Snapchat account. So let's dive into our video. Let us begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Snapchat application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap onto your profile icon. Now we have two ways to remove everyone from the Snapchat. The first way is to open your My Friend. Then you have to select a friend's profile, select Manage Friendship and click on Remove Friend. So you have to repeat this process for your entire friend, which is quite a hassle and time consuming. The next option would be better, which is to delete your Snapchat account. Now I will show you how to do it. To delete the Snapchat account, click on your profile icon once again and select the gear icon, which will take you to the settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of delete account. Click on it. Now you can see this interface. You have to type in your email address or username. You can also use your phone number instead. So I'm going to type in my email address and click on next. So you have to type in your password of the Snapchat account. After entering your password, you have to click on next, which will end up deleting your Snapchat account, and you can reinstall your Snapchat account once again and start all over. So this is the way to remove every friend from the Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video and thank you for watching.